Hi, I'm Niall, this is Caleb, this is Neve, and this is Connor. We're here today to talk about different technologies that we studied. I did digital currency. The reason I chose this currency is because it's one of the rapidly growing parts of the online business world. Uh, the reason I chose, basically what I learned from this technology is every single day there's over 3 billion trading of digital currency. The total valuation was 121 billion. The leading company in the world is Bitcoin. It has a valuation of its company of 800 billion. It started out being worth less than a cent, and now is worth over 10,000 at Bitcoin. The positive impact of this company is becoming a recognized trading currency around the world. It's also has no international charges. It's faster, it's safer, and it's a relaxed approach for paying wages and stuff like that. It's also used by Starbucks and companies like that. The negative approach is it's used in scams and frauds and stuff like that. And it's a lot easier to hide. Companies like Ego have been closed because of it.
Hi, my name is Kevin. I chose artificial intelligence to do for this project. I chose this because I find it particularly interesting myself, and that it's that the technology is growing at a very rapid rate. So, artificial intelligence has been around for many years now, and it's only starting to get more attention from the public. It's also been heavily invested in by many companies, which brings its own interest. Uh, what I learned about artificial intelligence while studying this is that it's grown at a very rapid rate, and that we should expect a lot of major developments in the fields in the coming years. Um, One positive aspect of artificial intelligence is that there are many different ways that companies can use the technology to benefit their business. However, that one negative aspect of it is that it's extremely expensive to run and fund.
Hello, my name is Neve, and the technology I chose is drones. The reason I chose this is I find drone technology in general very interesting. Technology nowadays is getting far more advanced, and we are able to upgrade and improve products which are already on the market. What I learned from this is that drone technology is fastly improving and becoming more popular in business and society. Drones are changing over time and been modified, such as their battery performance and GPS systems. The negative impact of drones is that modern drones have small cameras on them, and people see this as an invasion of privacy, especially when flying them in urban areas. A positive impact is that drones are now being used for film and media, which reduces the overall cost. And the impact of drones in society is that in the long run they are going to replace the jobs of people such as delivery drivers, and also the use of forklifts in companies.
I chose the impact of e-commerce on business and society. I chose the impact of e-commerce on business and society because I genuinely feel that the way we buy goods online will change dramatically in the next 10 to 15 years, and I feel that the government should be prepared for this. I saw that technology is moving at a much faster rate than ever expected and ever seen before. Small retailers will be put out of business, people buying more goods online due to the range of options. I feel improvements will be also made to e-commerce in the next 10 to 15 years, which will benefit both the consumer and e-commerce businesses. Negative of this e-commerce is that small retailers will be put out of business in local communities, and a positive is that consumers will have a range of options to choose from. They can budget much more efficiently.
Well, thanks for listening. Oh, what's up? Was that what we done that?